Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest in technology and finance. Today, we're going to talk about Bitcoin mining and how you can build your own mining rig to make some money. Bitcoin mining is the process of creating new Bitcoins by solving complex mathematical algorithms, and it requires powerful computers to do so. Building a mining rig may seem daunting, but with the right guidance, it can be a profitable venture. Part 1. Understanding Bitcoin mining. Before we dive into building a mining rig, let's first understand how Bitcoin mining works. Essentially, miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical algorithms and verify transactions on the Bitcoin network. As a reward for their efforts, they receive a certain amount of newly minted Bitcoins. Part 2. Building a mining rig. To build a mining rig, you'll need a few things: a motherboard, a power supply, a processor, a hard drive, and multiple graphics cards. Graphics cards are the most crucial part of a mining rig, as they're responsible for solving the algorithms that generate new Bitcoins. Make sure to do your research on which graphics cards are the most efficient for mining. Part 3. Setting up your mining rig. Once you have all the necessary components, it's time to set up your mining rig. You'll need to install your operating system, drivers, and mining software. There are several mining software options out there, so make sure to choose one that's compatible with your graphics cards. Part 4. Joining a mining pool. Joining a mining pool is the easiest way to start mining Bitcoin. In a mining pool, multiple miners work together to solve algorithms and receive a portion of the reward. This is a more reliable way to make money through mining, as it guarantees more consistent payouts. Part 5. Making money with your mining rig. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for: making money with your mining rig. The amount of money you make will depend on the price of Bitcoin, the difficulty of mining, and the efficiency of your rig. It's important to monitor these factors and adjust your rig accordingly to maximize profits. That's all for today's video on building a Bitcoin mining rig. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more technology and finance content. Thanks for watching.